Hey guys, Spring Branch TCG here with a Pokemon blister pack opening. This is the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash, the one with Gengar in it and a token. So this is my first opening, so just please bear with me. It's not professional or anything. I just set this down here. Okay, so we have the little token here, Lucario. We got a Gengar, Hollow. I don't know if these are hollow. No, they're not. They're not. I like the artwork on them. Let me just open the pack. So let's see. Farfetch'd, Alolan Meowth. Oh no, Galarian Meowth, excuse me. Caterpie, Galarian Corsola, Litwick. This is a reverse Caterpie. Oh wait, is it? Yeah, it is. And a trainer, Milo, full art. Nice pull. Yellow Energy, Training Court, Double Blade, and Lombre. Okay, so it was a good pack, definitely decent. The full art rating really made it worth it. Excuse me if this was kind of messy. This is my first opening. I don't have a tripod or anything. I'm just setting it down on this thing. But yeah, I will get more, more professional with my videos as I go on. But yeah, for now, definitely a good pack. That's it's very nice for about $5. This was at Walmart. So yeah, I'll be opening more packs, more Yu-Gi-Oh packs as well, and maybe in a few days. So please comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.